Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Yeezys on Pandabuy. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Pandabuy. So go to Pandabuy website and then log into your account if you have an account. So once you've logged in, so all you have to do is just search for the Yeezys on this product search bar here. So choose search for it and then choose an item that you wish to purchase. For example, this one here, I'm just using an Adidas Yeezy. So what I'm going to do, so this one I'm going to do my preferences here. So you can just select an item that you wish to buy and then select the size, like since it's a shoe, so just select the size and then the quantity, everything. And then what you're going to do, tick this agree box here. So hit on buy now. And then when you hit on buy now, this will ask you to confirm your destination address. So just put that in your destination country, and then you can just review the product, everything. And then what you're going to do, hit on this I have read and signed agreement here, and then click on submit order. And then when you click on submit order, this will take you to the payment section. So all you have to do now here is simply select the payment method that you wish to use. So whatever payment method that suits you, just select that and then hit on confirm payment, and that's it. It's all done. So that's pretty much it is. It's pretty easy and straightforward. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another